Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a BOXYCHARM unboxing. As you can see, I am sitting in my car and it is raining. Oh wait, let's put this up. Get some more light in here. Yeah. Well, anyway, I am getting ready to, holy crap. I'm getting ready to go to my daughter's moving up ceremony. She is moving in like a house. She's going to be going into first grade next year. My little poopsie whoopsie's getting big. Well, anyway, I'm waiting for my husband to get home. He took a half a day of work to attend this. So while I'm sitting in my car, which he should be here any minute, I am going to do a BOXYCHARM unboxing. So as you guys know, I do not look at the, you know, what are they called? The frig are they called? You know, where they send you the email to show you kind of what you're getting. What the fuck is it called? Well, anyway, I can't think of the word. I got a brain fart going on. So we are going to unbox this puppy right here. My hair's looking a little crazy. Just got out of the shower. Huh? It actually doesn't look that bad. Okay. So, this is the... What month are we in? Holy crap. I'm losing it. I'm losing it, guys. Here we go. Okay. So this is the card right here. BOXYCHARM Getaway. I would love to get away right now. So this shows you what they are. And again, I do not know what they are, but it shows you the prices. So I will be looking at this. I'll be going back and forth with this. So first item up is No Problem Prime Essence. Not really sure, but let's get into these. Let's see what it is. Oh, I love that packaging. It's clear. Candelula whoa, flower extract. I cannot pronounce that name right there. Can you? Okay. I'm not really sure what this is, so let's... Oh, it's in a different language. Can you see? No, you cannot see. Well, anyway, it's like Chinese or something. But then on the bottom it has English. So, Prime Essence infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract tightens up pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. So, I'm assuming this is a primer. We did get the No Problemo primer in one of the past boxes, and I love it. I use it all the time. So I'm not sure if this is like that or it's something different. I'm going to have to read up on it and see. Let's see. Yeah, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence. Okay, it just says the same exact thing. So MSRP is $23 for this. And this is 1.01 fluid ounce for this. What? Did I read that right? Yeah, $23 for this. I'm going to open it up. Let's see. Okay, it has a weird... Doesn't really smell. It smells good. But look at the... Ooh, there we go. I'm pressing it. Ah! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's get that out. That smells really good. It kind of smells like a perfume. Maybe like a cologne a little bit. I think I might like that. Okay, so that is that one. Let's put that aside. Next baby is, I see cotton candy. says it on the back. This is Steve Laurent, a jelly highlighter. Oh boy, I'm scared. Oh, where are you? Jelly highlighter. This jelly highlighter formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush, or simply dab it on with your finger for an effortless glow. MSRP $26. Oh, I don't get it. Is it like a sponge? Let's see. Bouncy. I don't know what they're talking about. Why can't I open this? There we go. I'm expecting this to be like a sponge. I mean, it did a little bit. See my print right there? I guess if you pressed it, yeah, okay, there it is. But let's swatch that. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's, oh, okay. I just put a crack in it on my finger. So it is, when they say blendable, I guess it is blendable. But that's the highlight. Can you see? There it is. That's pretty. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see if it blends out. Oh, it does. Okay, so that's what they were talking about. See? I just blended it all on the top of my hand. And it did. All you seen is that vein. The vein on the top of my hand. That wasn't very attractive. Next, Tarte. High Performance Naturals. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay. So you got that. And these, let's look at that. 4 shimmer shades and 4 mattes. MSRP $36 for a palette. Ooh, pretty. Very tropical. Ooh. And there's the colors. It kind of, oh my God. As soon as I opened it, I smelled it. Oh, I'm putting it to the camera like you're going to smell it. It smells really good. What? That is so weird. Is it supposed to smell? I don't think so. Let's see. It doesn't. Let's see. No. What? It has Amazonian clay formula or something or other. It doesn't say that it's supposed to smell, but it smells really good. I don't know. Let's see. I can't pinpoint it. Wait, let me smell again. Because it's... What is that? I don't know. I can't pinpoint it, but it smells really good. It smells really good. Okay, so next item up is Dominique Cosmetics. Let's see. There's that. This is add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. Sheer gloss is long lasting, blah blah blah, over blah blah. MSR $17. So what about lemonade? It says the shade is peach tea. Can you see that? Oh God, so can't see that. Oh my gosh, I can't open it either. What the hey? What the hey? Oh, I almost broke a non-existent nail. Wait, what about lemonade? I need... What? Okay. It says non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss. I don't get it. Oh. It's lemonade. It says lemonade on the front. No wonder. Does it smell like lemonade? No. It kind of smells like a mocha lip gloss. Yeah, mocha. Like a coffee. But, oh, it is very sheery. So it is kind of like a peachy, I guess hence peach tea. Peach tea, was it? Yeah, it is peachy. It's pretty. I'm gonna put some on. Let's put the vase down. Oh, put it down and I still can't. I can't see because it'll block the camera. I like that. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. But I'm a little confused of why it says lemonade, because it doesn't smell like lemonade. If it was something with lemonade, it should smell like lemonade. Oh, what is all this? Oh. Sheet mask. And there's 4 of them. 4 sheet masks, and they all look the same. So, what is these? Haru. Wonder Macai Berry Antioxidant Mask. Trio pack. Trio. Isn't Trio 3? Well, there's 4, so it's not really a trio. Oh boy. Oh, healthy skin, blah, blah, blah. The sheet is made of friendly, 100% pure cotton without non-chlorine bleaching process that allows a delicate touch with enhanced adherence to the skin. MSRP is $9. So, wait, let me read that again. Trio pack. Isn't Trio 3? Am I missing something here? Oh, it's 1 mask, right? Oh, is there 3 in 1? No, there's 1. Well, anyway, I must have got lucky and got an extra one, so I got 4. I'm not complaining because I do like me some sheet masks. I'm going to have to do a video of me trying to do one of these bad boys. Oh, it evens out tone complexion. Yeah, they're all the same. I'm not really sure why it says trio, but I'm going to do me some sheet mask. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Yeah. So that's it for my BOXYCHARM. BOXYCHARM. Yeah, BOXYCHARM. I'm losing it. I am seriously losing it, guys. Where is my husband? Where is he? I don't know. I don't know. Yep, that doesn't smell like lemonade. Now I need a wipe. Wipe. Where are you? Wipe. Got a napkin. Well, anyways. And I do like all of the products that were in there. The sheet masks. You know, who doesn't like those? I love them. I'm really wondering, though. I am so wondering why this Tarte eyeshadow smells so good. Let's see, does it say on the back? No. But I just realized I didn't do any swatches of the eyeshadow. Yeah, I don't know. It smells so good. So it said there was 4 matte and 4 shimmer. So you see the mattes and the shimmer. Let's do, there's this light matte one. I want to do that. Yeah, that's really light. That's not really showing up. Let's do the shimmer one. Yeah. Those ones are really light. Here's like a pinky. See that one? It doesn't show pink in the camera, but it's like a really light pink, which I just did right there. I'm going to do the darkest brown now. And that's just like you know, brown. Normal brown. Normal brown. Let's make it darker. Okay, it is blendable. We made it a little bit darker. Now we're going to go in with the top with that shimmery copper looking. Oh, light. There we go. That is pretty. That's like silky. See, look at my finger. There we go. It's kind of hard to see with the light. I'm outside. I really do like that. Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Put that back in the box. Where is my husband? Dude, we gotta go. It's already 12:35. I don't know. Well, I guess that is the end of my unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. And soon, if I ever get my Ipsies, I will be unbagging them. So, it was great to see you. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe below. And I will talk to you later. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye, y'all.